Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check if your VIVO X200 Pro supports eSIM compatibility. Okay, so let's begin. So basically now I'm on the IMEI.info page. You can see the link right in here. Simply type IMEI.info, press enter and you'll get into this page. So in here all you need to do is to type your IMEI number of your phone. If you don't know how to check it, also on our channel I have video when I'm describing this page and I'm showing you how to check your VIVO X200 IMEI. So once it's done, we need to simply click on this blue button, check IMEI. Okay, now we have our phone right in here. If you scroll down below, you have also the basic information about the phone. Also you can expand info and read for yourself also the full device specification if you want. But we need to scroll down a little bit until we find this window right in here, basic checks free. And the third option from the top, as you can see, is the eSIM Compatibility check. So that's what we are interested in. So we need to simply click on it, and now we need to click on this blue button, check eSIM Compatibility. Okay, and now we have our answer. As you can see, this device does not support eSIM. Also below, again, we have the information about the phone, our IMEI number, and the information that it's not supported. The eSIM is not supported. Also, we have below the date on which the report was created. And that's how you check, does your phone supports eSIM compatibility. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.